We'll guide you through how to make 3D text effect in Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many users of Canva want to create eye-catching 3D text, but do not know where to find or use the right tools like Text Studio Maker. They need simple guidance to quickly produce professional-looking designs for social media, thumbnails, or presentations without advanced design skills. To begin this tutorial, open a browser. For example, you can use Google Chrome on your computer. To open it, double-click the Google Chrome icon on your desktop until the browser window appears. After that, click the search bar, type canva.com, and press Enter to access Canva. Make sure you are already logged in so you are on the home page. Next, click Custom Size so you can set the dimensions manually for your design. For example, enter 1920 for the width to create a widescreen layout. Then enter 1080 for the height to match the standard HD resolution. Make sure the unit is set to pixels. Then click Create New Design to open the workspace. Next, go to the left side panel, scroll down, and find the Apps section to access additional tools. After it opens, click the search bar and type Text Maker to find the feature. Then select Text Studio Maker and click Open at the bottom to launch it. After that, choose one of the 3D font styles you like from the available options. Type your text, for example, how to make 3D text effect in Canva, so you can preview the result. Adjust the font style that will be used to match your design preference. Then set the alignment. For example, choose center so the text is properly positioned. Next, adjust the letter spacing and line height to improve readability and appearance. If everything looks good, click Add to Design to insert the text into your canvas. Close the panel. Then change the background color to black to make the 3D effect stand out more clearly. After that, adjust the text size as needed so it fits well within the canvas. You can also change parts of the font color, for example, make it blue to add more visual interest. Check the result on your canvas.